So as humbly requested, here's my home library. Acha nijichoche kiasi. This one I had it signed, yes, by the man himself. Niko na series kadhaa za Kwani and this is one of them. Nani hananga facing Mount Kenya? Shaitani Modarafa ine, yes. One day I'm gonna write a song about this. A lesson before then, yeah. Kenya ajui, yeah. The dance of the iniquity. Yeah, Kenya ajui na kuwaga na reads zingine interesting. Yes, Park for the rapper and the poet in me. Meja Mwangi, ye ni legend walai. Hii inafaa kukuwa film walai. Yeah, someone should do that. The most precious book in here is this. And you know why? Because of this guy. You know him? Shout out to Rick's Poet. Najua hezi kumbuka akinieka na mutaratara hii stuff. Another Meja Mwangi. Sweet. Another Meja Mwangi. Yeah, we all should have a Meja Mwangi in our shelves. Notice kuna mbuku nimeignore hapo hivyo. Wangapi wanatambua Maya Angelou? Wakati nilisoma hii niliacha kublame watu juu ya mambo zangu. And then The Alchemist aka seal the deal. This is quite interesting. And more poetry. Soma hii ujue kizungu inakuwaga mzito sometime. Another one from Kinyanjui. Yeah, man. Something you should know. Maina wa Kenyatte. This is for the philosophy of life. Utacheka ukufe alafu ufufuke. Last but not least on this episode, half a day. Yeah. And one day, folks will be holding mine like this. Wallahi. Thank you for watching.